Hey guys, it's me Kuya Jeff, and today I'm gonna show you how to install transmission fluid cooler on Toyota Rav4. So it's pretty easy, so it's kinda like, like just put some plumbing and that's it. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe and check my store whatstore.com, and stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to install this transmission fluid cooler on the Toyota Rav4. So I got this transmission fluid cooler, and I bought this like 2 years ago. It's supposed to be for the Honda Fit, but I never had a chance to install it. So yeah, it's a torque flow, so it has like a lot of sizes. So I got this one, and I think you can buy the biggest one is this one, but I don't think it's not gonna fit on the front, since I got a steel bumper and a winch on the front. So let's see if this thing will fit on the front first before I proceed installing it. So yeah. I'm gonna put it in here. I guess it should be fit in here, so it's gonna be like that, since I got a winch there, and it's gonna be like that there, as you can see. Let's see if you can see it here. So yeah, it's gonna be right over there. So I guess probably let me just try to remove the bumper and this bumper, so I got more view or better access on it, just in case I need adjustments. So yeah, so now we got a better access to the front. So I'm gonna put it in here, I guess right over there. So I still have some space there, clearance, so it won't hit on the wing. So since we're gonna do the line over there, so yeah, you need to bend a little bit this one just to install this, because you're gonna like have this, like, I don't know what you call this. So there's like a clip here and right here, just to to have some space to have to do that. So yeah, and right now I already put the top one here, so you're just gonna like be careful poking it there and just grab it like that, and this lock here, I'm just gonna insert in there. Okay, should be okay. And you're just gonna cut it. It's gonna go all the way down there, so just be careful not to bend the condenser. Okay. Okay, I got one more. So just put a little bit ATF oil, so to not to be hard to insert this tube here, because yeah, I put a little bit here. So okay, there, it's gonna be easy all the way there, and then just put the clamps, and that's it. And then next we're gonna connect this to the transmission. So now this is where the intake box is here, and the connection we're gonna take is this one. So I already removed it, so that's a transmission fluid flowing right now. So let's see, we're gonna start in the top. Let's see, okay, this one, and I'm gonna go the line over there. So I'm gonna cut it there. Let me just get a scissor. Okay, yeah, it's a little bit tight, so I'm gonna put two hands. So I'm gonna close this camera for now. All right, so pretty much I'm done with the install. So yeah, it's kind of like, I'm gonna wipe that up, some transmission fluid there, but I'm gonna fill up a little bit, so maybe like a half a gallon, something should be okay. So yeah, it's kind of leaking there because I removed the, where is that, so I removed this. So yeah, so it's gonna be fine. Just make sure the clamps are tight, you're gonna be okay. So I'm gonna put the air box back and should be okay. So after you install the cooler and put the hose, so I'm gonna put like, so I make it like fill up, and then I put like this, so that should be okay. Or I leave it, it's not gonna hurt anyway. So especially I got the readings there on the, what do you call that, scan gauge for transmission cooler. So I'm pretty much finished filling up. So after that, I'm gonna bolt this on back and we're gonna test drive. So if the cooler help to lower the temperature down, especially I'm gonna test this too on the trail. So let's see if it's gonna help when I'm doing trail off-road or overlanding on the mountain or something like that. So let me just put this back. So just checking if there's any leak. So far no leak, and this one's already got hot, so it's already flowing. Damn, it got hot. So whew. Oh shit, I guess it's flowing now, and happy with that. So after that, I'm gonna put this back because I'm gonna have a check engine light because of the map sensor, air sensor, something like that. So yeah, so let's see. I'm gonna drive it right now for like an hour, and let's see in a normal drive if the temperature is gonna have a changes. Then after that, we're gonna go test in the trail. So yeah. So right now, before we're gonna install the transmission fluid, and I want to check first because I just recently installed this scan gauge too, to check the temperature for the transmission fluid, and right now it's 201. That's a normal drive in the freeway. So okay guys, this is with the transmission fluid cooler, and right now I've been driving like an hour and it's only like 185. I don't know if you can see it, 185 Fahrenheit. So it's been an hour. So I tried that without the cooler. It's kind of like a 200 Fahrenheit. So well, it's a big improvement, but like I said, my car is really heavy. I got a big tire, 32. So right now kind of like 3,000 RPM to 70 miles per hour. So yeah, and I'm pretty happy. So next we're gonna try this on the trail. So let's see how it, you know, the temperature changed on the trail. Guys, so I've been trailing, and so far I've been climbing steep hill, so I'm gonna climb it again. So it reached like at 215 Fahrenheit to 217. So right now it's 213, so it's not too bad though. So I'm gonna climb that one steep hill here. Let me just put it in the fourth gear. Alright, so I'm gonna climb that. All the way down up there. Sliding, it's really stiff. So right now it's only like 215 right now. So yeah, I'm pretty happy though. I guess when I don't have a cooler, it might be go to 230 or worse, 240. But yeah, it's really steep up there. So oh, let me just go all the way up there. Ooh, it's very rocky. Yeah, it's very rocky, especially, you know, when you're. I was planning to upgrade that with the fan, just in case, you know, if I'm gonna climb something high. Oh, that's stiff. All the way up there. Right now it's 215 Fahrenheit. Alright. So it's not gonna be overheat now, but I think I'm gonna change the cooler to with the fan. So, but all in all, so far I don't think I'm not gonna change that. And right now it's kind of like 96 Fahrenheit. and 96 Fahrenheit. And yeah, it's really hot outside right now, and I'm even have my AC on, so yeah, right now it's 217. So I'm not sure if you can see it. 217 Fahrenheit, and my engine oil is 215, and my water temp it's 202. So I'm pretty happy though. I'm pretty happy. Alright guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. So if you go trailing like what I do, I recommend at least put some transmission cooler so you won't overheat. So yeah, and right now it's kind of like 6,000, I think 7,000 elevation here. So and it's pretty hot. It's 96 Fahrenheit right now, and I'm not overheating. Well, actually I'm not overheating actually, but I have a bigger tire like 32, and there was a lot of heavy stuff. And yeah, so don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to check my merch at whatstore.com to support my channel to do more like this. And I'll see you next time for another car repair or car modes, especially for my Rav4. So peace out guys.